Hiya, Renee Jones here. So I've been helping others lose weight, overcome emotional eating and other forms of self-sabotage, and heal their hearts for 10 years as a coach. I've learned a lot, and here are just a few of the lessons. First, reaching and maintaining a goal weight requires some focus and attention. I know, shocking, right? And yet we don't. Just like with a budget or work tasks or household care, if we give it regular attention, do the ongoing maintenance tasks that just need to be done, and automate what we can to make it easier for us, we tend to get the results we're looking for. It's not magic. It's consistency. 2. I sometimes still want things that I choose not to have. But it's almost never about the food. It's about the memory associated with that food. If I must have it, a couple of bites will do it when you take the time to enjoy them. Now, I must confess, some of those things that I thought I must have, when I took time to really taste them, the reality did not live up to the memory of the flavor. It's sad but true. The good news is that when it isn't as good as we remember, how much easier is it to let it go? 3. No one expects you to succeed, and some are quietly rooting for you to fail. My grandmother's sisters had this between them, and I picked it up along the way. If someone lost their weight, it was almost like disloyalty. We gave each other permission to stay heavier. I know it sounds crazy if we say it like that, but we see it in other areas. It's sort of like the new person who's eager to please and works too fast, and that makes the rest of us look bad. It's not about the pounds. Your health is too important to allow that to sabotage your choices. To be honest, sometimes I really don't want to do the things required to stay on track, to go for that walk, to make those choices. Also, to be honest, the consequences have never been worth it. Next, self-control is not a negative or a lack. It's not punishment. It's freedom. Who knew? Next, nothing is instantaneous or magic. All the instant diet fixes also have an instant failure awaiting us. If they had that magical formulation, it wouldn't have such side effects, or there wouldn't be failure when we stop taking it. The truth is, when we stop doing what works, we stop getting the results. When we make consistently good choices, we continue to succeed. So there'll be more next week. And in the meantime, register for my masterclass that'll be on December the 7th. Or let's talk so you can get on track to reach your goal. I'll put the links below. All the best.